Definition 1. To make something happen very quickly, especially a series of events. Examples: the assassination triggered off a wave of rioting. Certain forms of mental illness can be triggered by food allergies. Trigger a memory, make you suddenly remember something. His action triggered a massive response from the government.
Just thinking about something threatening can trigger an emotional response.
These microbes release enzymes that trigger a chemical reaction called oxidation.
Each interaction between the two triggers changes.
Aroma triggers memories more strongly than any of the other senses, and
For example, if someone has a panic attack while they're in an elevator, they might think that that elevator triggered the attack. And so
this political upheaval triggered yet another civil war.
These are the collocations from the excerpts you've just watched. Trigger a response, trigger a reaction, trigger changes, trigger memories, trigger an attack, trigger war. More examples on the next screen.
But DCD also has triggered an intense debate in medical circles.
The project has triggered a U.S. House investigation, but
is that if you're low in dopamine as well as serotonin, it can trigger a whole wave of issues.
And this is an interesting metaphor because it relates to the puzzle of unintended consequences. That is, the fact that we often trigger events with our actions that we did not intend or even envision.
These are the collocations from the excerpts you've just watched. Trigger a debate, trigger an investigation, trigger a wave of something, trigger events.